Meteorologist Denise Isaac. Waking up to lots of clouds across Metro Detroit, some light rain to our north. We're expecting the light rain to stay away from the area, but the clouds will take a while to move on out. So we're expecting today's highs to be quite mild. Once again, we're looking anywhere between 48 and 52 degrees. These temperatures are at least 10 degrees above average. If you like this mild weather, enjoy it, because big changes are headed our way come next week. But overall, let's take a look at our futurecast or hour by hour forecast. By noon, we're looking at partly sunny to mostly sunny skies. By 4 p.m., that's when we're enjoying lots of sunshine, and that's when we'll get to really warm up. So overall, it's a beautiful day to be outdoors. Quiet weekend, or at least quiet weather this weekend, and even into tomorrow, things look just great. So tonight we're looking at 33, decreasing clouds. It will be chilly and with a light breeze. How about that full supermoon on Sunday? That's when the moon is expected to be the closest to the earth. You can enjoy it. The best time will be Sunday morning around 7:20 a.m. because full moon happens Sunday, December 3rd at 10:46 a.m. but the best viewing will be that night. So overall, Sunday morning or Sunday night at 5:32. Enjoy it. Is the one and only super moon on this 2017. So today we're expecting a high near 50, partly sunny, mild, pleasant. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, 52. By Monday, we're looking at 53, but here comes a chance for rain. So we're expecting that low pressure system with a cold front to bring changes our way. On Tuesday, we're still looking at rain. Most of the rain, though, on Monday and Tuesday will happen overnight. So we're looking into Monday overnight into Tuesday morning. So we'll have wet roads for your morning commute on Tuesday. By Wednesday, 36, quite the big difference, with a 20% chance for snow. And look at the low on Thursday morning, 18 degrees. So winter is now here.